Right, good evening guys and welcome back to another Kit Car Direct at MK Sports Cars. Well, not Workshop Walk, we've called it Lockdown Garage Week because COVID-19 still in operation, and I hope you're all safe and well at home and you're in lockdown. And again, we still want to keep saying, you know, our thanks really to all you key workers that are out there. So on behalf of Kit Car Direct and MK Sports Cars again, thank you very much for your support and keep safe. So we'll move on. We've had some videos in and we're going to be showing those in a minute, and thanks to all the guys that are sending them in so far. We've got a few more to edit and process, so we'll do them as we can. We do them once a week, and hopefully we'll see next Thursday we'll show a few more. So it's great to see what's going on in your garages and seeing these cars. They're awesome. I love the Indy, you love the Indy. It's great that you do. It's great to see what your upgrades you're doing, and it's a really sunny day out there today this afternoon. It's a shame we can't get out and have a play in them, but that's going to be coming soon. That's going to be coming soon. But we've got some other bits, some new products. We're just trying to show you again what we're doing out there, and I've got a Glamorous Assistant to hand. And so the first new product I'm going to show you first is this thing here. Can you pass me that over? Thank you very much. We showed you this a couple of months ago, and now these are completed. We had a few mock-ups that we'd done, and the new shower caps. And the shower caps are a nice bag. It folds away quite nicely, and if you don't know if you remember it or not, but it was a two-sided shower pack product that goes over the windscreen and over the roll bar. If you've got a hood and windscreen, and this if you're staying away over at night somewhere, if it's a warm climate you can have it as sun reflection, and if it's a wet and dismal day, or your track day, or you're out for the weekend, that will then keep it completely waterproof over the hood. Go back to a few weeks down the line in the videos and you'll see that one coming up. So they're in stock and available now, and they're on the internet, and Neil may put up some links. Next one we have here, thank you very much. We've got, we spoke about hoods, so if you've got a windscreen and you've got the side doors fitted on your car, we do the hoods. The half hoods now, they've finished the prototypes of them all, and we've got those, and they are in stock. As you can see, they roll up very small. It's a bikini type hood. You've got all of the poppers on here, and also the straps to tie it down at the back, and the portal window at the back so you can see through out your rear view mirror. Now, you don't have to have the bag. The bag is optional. If you've got somewhere you can store it, as you can see, that will store up pretty easy behind the back of your seat or somewhere else. But if not, we do an option of a waterproof bag that also, you can see, it's tucked away quite nicely. And if you've got the roll bar at the back and it sits on top of the boot cover, those two little press stubs go around the roll bar. Just pop it in, and that will hold it in place for when you're travelling around, so, or you can kick it off. So that's another little product in stock. I've got about 3 or 4 of them at the moment in stock. They've just come in today, so hot off the press. Next new product that we spoke about, thank you very much. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, the doors and stuff like that and boot covers all come with their own poppers as well, same as the half doors. So if you've got an aero screen car, and it's a bit windy around the shoulders, isn't it, and around the elbows and everything else, we do the half doors there. So if you've got aero screen, etc., and you want to fit those on, they also come with a popper kit that can, the 4 poppers in the front here to hold that on. So if you've got that, and you'll see, if you go back a few weeks on the videos, on the Workshop Walk videos, you'll see where we've shown them on a yellow Hayabusa demo car. So they're in stock. I've got about 3 or 4 sets again of those in stock. They've got a metal bar in here to make it a bit more rigid at the top. So if you're on a track day and it's a bit damp and you're an aero screen car and you don't want all that water flying up off your front tyre into your elbows, then that's going to certainly help you. And they pop off really lightweight, so it's not adding, I mean, it's grams, so it's not going to add any weight to the vehicle in that sense. So it's 3 new products there. I mean, fingers crossed the sun will stay shiny, you won't need them, but if it's a wet day, that's kind of your wet weather packs ready to rock and roll for you. So that's where we're at with sort of new products. And what I'm going to do now, the video is going to cut out and we're going to hand over to a few of the guys out there, a few of the great customers and people on the MK Sports Cars Official Owners Club. The club's growing, it seems to be on a daily basis, fantastic. And all of the groups that you're setting up with all your builds, etc., it's really great to see that. So we're going to cut off now. I'm going to say thank you so much again to everybody and all your support. And it's Lockdown Garage, and you're going to see a few videos now, and I hope you enjoyed them.
Hi guys, hope you're all well in these strange times that we're having at the moment. Just thought I'd show you a couple of upgrades that I've been up to over the winter. Excuse the northern accent, sorry about that. So normally on a Saturday my dad normally comes up and we normally either fiddle with the cars or go out on a run or just do stuff around the garage of the house, but unfortunately my dad has to stay away at the moment, so It's a little quiet at the minute, a little bit sad. So we were all ready for the track day on the 10th of April, me, Mark, my dad and a few others, and the guys at MK to go to Snetterton. So we're all set up, slicks on, camber, big camber set up, all ready to go, but fortunately that's cancelled, so I can understand that. So I put the car back, I've string lined it back, which I've really enjoyed doing, and I put the camber back up, and then just, like I say, set it all up back foot road now. So on the rear we've just upgraded a little number plate, a little stick on one. Yep, I'm very sad, I know. Got some new drive shafts on it, new bearing carriers on the rear, to excuse the squeaker wheels, yeah. And then on the interior we've gone for the new carbon interior from the guys at MK Sports Cars, and the new carbon I think it's just carbon interior, the new centre console, and then I've put a new handbrake and gator on. Very impressive, and I love a bit of carbon, a bit of lightness, so works well. It's all my legs in. And we've got new seat belts, new lightweight seat belts, new aluminium, and I've got a new pre-peg dash. Got the clocks moved from the centre to behind the steering wheel, so I can see where I'm going, so that I don't hit the limiter and then Mark gets away from me. I've got a new Ames Solo lap timer, a little bracket. Got the hand controls, if none of you've seen these lately. So it's push to brake, pull the clutch in. Then you've got full power upshifts and downshifts. Got rid of the key switch, so I'll just switch it on there. Fire it up. And then go for push it in there to brake. Got a clutch which is solid at the moment because mine's like working, so what we'll do is switch the valves off and that makes mine lock and that one works. Got two accelerator pedals, well, one throttle and one there, that's my dad's, that's mine, and goes into one, so that we can just put it back and my dad can drive it and I can drive it. Got a new ITG air filter. Then up front we've got rid of the ball joint on the top and replaced it with a rose joint. Welded that up and put a little strengthening bar in, stop the flex. There's the billet uprights and then the anti-roll bars that I've made, and that just so I can change the camber for the slicks. Up front, just giving it a wash, cleaned it, a bit more powder coating up front. Anything that can be powder coated goes. On the old arms there. I've got the set up the caster, got 8 degrees of caster. I'm not sure if that's too much at the moment and it'll hurt my arm. That's been done a while, just thought I'd share that with you. Carbon dips rock cover. That's the other side for the interior. New dash and the clock, so obviously I haven't tested it yet and I won't be able to for a while, but I just thought I'd share what I've been up to about winter. Like I say, I've got the new springs up front, 300s, 275s up rear. Adapter that goes on top of that and over the top, which if we get booted off track, put it on. So anyway, stay safe guys.
So this is what I'm doing on the COVID-19 garage lockdown project. This is my MK Indy RX5. I'm doing the turbo conversion on it. Sorry about the noise, it's the garage door just going down. Got the turbo fitted. It's all piped up by the air filter. Put the Willwood braking system on it. We've gone for the gloss black with gold striping down it. Just fitted the new hose, clutch hose, the braided one, nice. I've gone for the pre-peg carbon dashboard with the DigiDash buttons, just on with the interior panel kit at the minute. All the back's drilled, it's ready for painting and wrapping next week. All the back's done, barring the wiring. I've got the wiring on order for this. Hopefully that's next weekend's job. That's my nose cone. Come with a little gel badge on it as well. Battery tray, the seat, the bonnet. All the panels are fitted. Just stripped them down again to work on it. Exhaust's about done. And for the non-polished one. Yeah, so we get in there. So I've gone for the 13-inch Team Dynamics. So thanks for looking. More to follow.
Hi guys, welcome to my workshop garage lockdown video. My name's Dave. I've just started working on mine a few days ago. Got it dropped off last Saturday. Had some cracking time on it so far because with the lockdown I've been at home. So I'll give you a quick walk around and show you what I've been up to. Fitted a new clutch. It's currently sitting on my mobile pallet. Good tip for you there if you haven't got a lot of room, you want to move stuff in and out. Couple of trolley, caster wheels on a strong pallet. Been very, very useful. Had the body shell on it as well. Today I've been prepping and painting the rear diff. Unfortunately I didn't take any pictures of it beforehand because it was quite a mess, but now it looks absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to get that one fitted. Welcome to my RX-5. Dropped off last Saturday. I've been on it ever since. Obviously starting off, going by the manual, fitting the pedal box and all the brake lines and the fuel lines. Just finished that off yesterday and finished off the flexible hoses this morning. Tank's just sitting in there mocking that up. Did the pump conversion yesterday, changing the angle and the depth of the pickup on that. Quite a bit of a mission. Today again I've been doing the rear suspension. Floors all fitted. Bit of advice, if you can borrow a steel one, get yourself an air pop riveter because all these rivets are no fun. Been some good advice from other guys on a WhatsApp group I've joined. Michael, Steve, Danny and Stu, all very good, all in different stages of their builds. One of them just a day ahead of me, but we're all working together, though we don't know each other. It's a great bit of advice if you can get yourself involved. The members out there, very helpful, very useful tips to what you can do and how to do a few things. Other than that, I think I'll be carrying on with it a bit more tonight. Maybe fitting the bushes, which are very tight in the rear arms, and get that fitted up. If not, carry on with it tomorrow. Cheers guys, have fun, stay safe.
Hi guys, I'm Wayne Armston, and this is the car that MK Sports Cars refers to as the Angry Wasp. This is my MK Indy RR with a GXXR 1000 K8 engine installed. Couple of bits I'm doing to it, making sure the exhaust is that bit quieter because it's nearly 15,000 RPM. I can't seem to shut the thing up. So it's a couple of tracks that locally I want to get on, Donington, Mallory, but just can't get anywhere close to getting the noise limits to where they need to be. Got black flagged at Snetterton last year, so want to get that sorted and get a different exhaust system on the car, which I'm currently doing at the moment. A few bits and bobs that need lightening on the car to get it down to about 465, 470 if I can. Shouldn't be too much of an issue. The car's already at 485 and there's loads more weight to come out of this car. So yeah, there's just a couple of bits I've been doing. Hope you're all keeping safe and staying at home. And yeah, I'll show you a few bits around the car, and Sean and Neil might even show you a quick clip of the car out on the road just before lockdown. So just doing some bits in the garage, starting with the exhaust, getting that all mocked up and ready, try and quieten the thing up, just Just going to get this exhaust wrap replaced as well while we're at it, because that just doesn't seem to want to last. But yeah, probably get a pre-preg dash in there, get it a bit lighter, our scuttle panel, bubble aero screen, get that replaced as well while we're at it. Just try and get some more items on the car light, and did manage to get all this Alcantara'd up, centre tunnel, so that looks quite neat, I think. Got obviously drilled it all out, made it a bit lighter as well. Still running original Sierra hubs, carriers, discs, everything else on the back, so get them all replaced I think for some lighter items, get some billet on there, and then probably may even try and get these arches done as well, get some pre-preg ones of them. Just really get the car lightened up. Managed to get the seat runners out of the car now, so they're all out, they weren't really needed. So they've come out, and hopefully make it a bit lighter. So that's done. Going to change the steering column as well for just a solid one, get rid of the crush tube and everything else. Just again, standard Sierra item, so get rid of that. And coming around the front, this is all metal, get rid of that, carbon, replace that with some carbon item, looks better, obviously a bit lighter. Yeah, coming around to the front then, we've got all original Sierra, again, hubs, carriers, got some Wilwood discs and calipers on there, but this ain't looking too good, I must admit. It's been a while since it's been out. Mind you saying that, did get out just before lockdown, so, but yeah, get them all replaced with some of the billet items. A lot of weight to be lost there, and then probably go for some carbon mud guards as well actually while we're at it. Just try and make things look a bit nicer, a bit lighter, do a full spanner check on the car, and yeah, look forward to some track days. So that's really what we've been doing at the minute, guys. Exhaust all sort of ready to go. So yeah.
Videos to see a few of the guys with their home projects in their lockdown garage, having a bit of fun with their cars. You've got cars that are being modernised and upgraded from previous builds to new builds that are going on, and freshly started builds and some that are further along. So it's really good to see a great diversity of videos. So thanks guys, keep sending them in. I'm really looking forward to seeing them and all these different projects going on, and we'll catch you next week. So like, share, you know where we are. Catch you next week, guys.